Hey, good morning, Old Moto Dude here, and today I'm trying to respond to one of the viewers' requests to see what we could highlight for the wiring on my TY 350 Yamaha. So I'm going to do my best here. It's really pretty tight in here, and a lot of it's got the shielding and stuff on it, so I don't really want to pull it back, but I'll try and point out what I can see. Probably always best to get a good wiring diagram somewhere. But this was a request, so we'll see how this goes and give me your feedback. So first thing I want to point out is the coil itself. It's got a orange wire popping in up here. You can see it tightly. The orange wire is coming in, so the coil wire is definitely orange wire coming in. See the black ground or negative wire here. We'll go up to the headlights a little bit, and you can see we've got two lights. Again, the yellow, the black coming off the headlight, and another green wire that kind of loops in back here. So those are the wires. Now the green in this case isn't hooked up anywhere, so I'm not sure which one it runs to, but it's not hooked up. Coming down even further, we'll show you the module here. This kind of loops around, and there's black and a brown and a white with red stripe on it. Again, that runs up to this module. So those are the wires coming that way. Down here in the loom itself, you'll see there's a yellow, and it's the green that runs up to the headlight. We'll follow this back a little ways, so you can see where it kind of splits off here. Got wires that come down. This is the brake light switch. So you've got a yellow wire. Might have some red on it, but it looks to be a yellow wire, and again the black. And then here is another wire coming off for the tail light setup, and you've got a blue and a yellow and a black coming off that way, and then another yellow that comes down here, and it truncates right in this little guy, and I actually have not sure what that is. So that's what I can see here. We'll kind of get some shots underneath the tail light and see if we can see any wiring coming in. Oh, it's all covered up here pretty well, so again, not much to see at the back of the tail light. Anyway, Yamaha's done a pretty good job on this of hiding everything, so you can't get into it. It's pretty well covered. I'm going to show here on this side. You can see what the wiring looks like coming in. See if that helps. Again, this is the information that I can provide. Kill switch up here, just your standard kill switch wiring coming in. And that appears to be all the wiring that I can find coming off this Yamaha. So, any other questions on it? Send them to me. I'll try and we'll figure it out together. But that's what I have for now. Enjoy watching the videos. Thank you.